what if somebody wanted to learn, it's so hard to remember. What if somebody wanted to, like a book or something that would have Ojibwe words and phrases available?
Well, funny you should say that.
I know, huh?
Because Ojibwe words and phrases.
There's got to be a better way.
Available now at Amazon.com.
Amazon.com. Have you ever wondered why isn't there, just some quick reference guide to handy Ojibwe words and phrases? Have you ever said to yourself, there's got to be a better way? Well, now there is. Ojibwe Words and Phrases by Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist and book editor, I guess, is just a collection of phrases and words that we teach on the show. Michael also has a book of cartoons. Oh, I wonder, did I keep that? No, I didn't. And a book called Oh Gibberish. Oh Gibberish by Michael Lyons is an illustrated introduction to Ojibwe Moan, to the Ojibwe language. And it also has the little cutie A Teddy Bear's Vision Quest story included, and some coloring book pages. It's an all-round cool book. Order it today! Hey, honey, it's Kermit the Frog.
Oh, really? Yeah, patch him through.
All right, line 2.
BOOZHOO, Kermit, welcome to the show.
Hey there, NANABOOZHOO. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm not doing so great. I mean, it's not easy being green, and it's especially not easy being in a relationship with Miss Piggy.
Yeah, I know. You're still with her?
Well, yeah, but last night she had a lot to drink, and so sometimes when she drinks, she gets really angry with me, and she started to slap me around, and I had to leave, and then I just wandered the streets of Sesame Street all alone. Oh, Kermit, why don't you come stay with us?
Honey?
No, he can come stay on the couch. Kermit, you don't have to stay with that woman. But I love her.
Yeah, and she's not even a woman, she's a pig.
Oh yeah, you don't have to stay with that pig.
Yeah, come on, man. That's not cool. Why don't you come stay with Natasha and I, and we'll help you get back on your feet.
But she'll just get mad.
Well, how about put on some pants? This is a problem all along.
Who's wearing the pants in that family, Kermit?
Yeah.
Well, I don't like to wear pants. Once in a while I'll wear a trench coat, but that's only when I'm a reporter.
Yeah, well, first of all, put on some pants, and then you got to show her who wears the pants in the family.
Well, we're not really married.
You're not even married. What are you doing? If you're not even married, you don't have to put up with that crap. I think it's time you say, not even I'll see you again. I think you got to say goodbye. I wish Ojibwe had a word for hit the bricks, scum queen.
Hey! Well, maybe I don't know what to do.
I'm telling you what to do. Grab her by the back of her wig and her girdle and toss her to the street. You don't need that Miss Piggy in your life.
Well, I'll think about it, but I'm kind of afraid. She knows karate.
She doesn't know karate.
Yeah, just last night when she was hitting me, she kept going, "Hi-ya!"
Yeah, I know. That's what she does. That's not karate. That's her just being... I don't know what that is. Wasn't that horrible how that used to be like humor? On your own show, Kermit, they would show Miss Piggy like throw him across the room. He'd hit the wall like a rag doll. And then the laugh track would just be cracking up.
Yeah. That was really hurtful.
Yeah, your audience sucks.
I know.
Well, listen, man. If you need a place to stay, we got a little love seat in the living room. You're welcome to stay with us for as long as you need to.
And Kirby, yeah, Natasha, if you would like me to knock Miss Piggy out, I'd be happy to.
You're going to knock Miss Piggy out?
I would waste Miss Piggy.
You're not afraid of Miss Piggy?
Oh, no. I would love to. Give me an excuse. I would smack her around.
And Natasha will beat up Miss Piggy for you if you like. Although I don't condone that.
No, I wouldn't beat her up. I'd probably punch her once.
Listen, man, I gotta go.